So today I made a video which demonstrates what exactly is inside the box. I know a lot of people were curious about that thing, so we got the taster coil above everything. Under the taster or the pancake taster coil, we got the ultrasonic sound buzzer, and we also got the electromagnetic coil which surrounds everything. So as you actually saw in the latest videos, I didn't I put the electromagnetic coils on the edges of the box, but right now I'm actually trying to make this thing affect more effectively. So that is why I try to make all of these things together. I combine them together, and then I use the aluminum foil on positive electrostatic charges, and a wire on the negative electrostatic charges. So that is it. Since I updated the schematics which I used and then added the two Tesla coils, things have even gone more effective. So as you actually saw in the latest videos, I didn't see this bigger effect, but the time that I added the Tesla coils and then update some of the few details, everything became even more fascinating. So if you also want to buy the updated schematics, which includes the Tesla coil circuits that I use to build these powerful Tesla coils, you can directly text me on my email. I will also give you the pictures, the internal pictures and videos, which will show you exactly how everything is aligned, so that you can also use the same design as mine by following the schematics and the pictures of the internal parts that I just sent you. So everything here is really understandable. You will also be able to replicate this thing too.